everyone, I'm 6 years old and today I drew Pikachu. Pikachu is yellow and super cute. I love drawing Pokémon. Do you want to draw with me? Let's draw more fun pictures together.